Bitcoin and crypto DeFi wallet. Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video. And in this video, you are gonna learn how to install and download Bitcoin in crypto DeFi wallet in your device. So you can download or install this from Google Play Store and App Store. So in both store, this app is available. So you can see there is some benefits about this app. If you use, then you'll get the extra benefit in this app. So what is this? We're gonna check it. You can see like there are some benefits and discount here, like buy Bitcoin, Bitcash, Ethereum available, and select here token quickly and easily, credit card, Google Pay and more. So sell cryptocurrencies into your local currency, send, receive and swap between cryptocurrencies, access the DeFi apps at that enable use case like earning interest on your crypto, borrowing and lending. So other key feature here: self-custodial, DeFi ready, quick, secure access, automated backup, and a customizable fees, low fees. So it's really easy and good app. So you can use this. So okay, friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching the video.